Hey guys, today I'm here with I'm here with Jing and we are buying ingredients right now for our mac and cheese. We're at Angmo. Isn't it Hong Mao though, isn't it?
It's Hong Mao, but which one?
This is the ingredients.
Milk. Milk. What?
We're gonna make pancakes with yours.
Yeah. Ah. Okay, guys. Follow me. Milk. Milk. Yeah. Okay. Is that enough?
Okay. Yeah. Can already lah.
Bro, you were like, she thought this was too less.
Getting there relax.
Heavy cream. We're gonna add it now. Okay, follow me, guys.
Oh, my hand tired already. I'm not meant to be a chef.
Heavy cream. Do I add everything?
I think enough already, right? Yeah.
Added our heavy cream.
Adding the cheddar.
I don't think I washed my hands already.
Oh.
That's
But we have
how
butter from the floor.
Yes! You don't keep use all that shit, right? Oh, so hot! This is so hot. I can't.
Perhaps got our veggies.
Too much veggies.
I know, right? You see now, you asked me to add something carrot.
I'm sorry. I'm totally healthy. This is not good for us. Let's add on it. Guys, we just found an ant on the pasta. I don't know how to show you, but like, ow, it's so hot.
Yeah, whatever lah. How shall we put
Do I
this in?
just put?
Yeah, if it breaks then it yeah, we make the top one. This is the big mac and cheese.
Guys, it's not that crispy, but it's fine. It's the taste
Not
that
bad, what? Hear it.
Sure. Whatever you say. Where's the cheese? It's fine. It's all about the taste. Not bad.
Blah. I mean, it's good. Her mom said it was better than store-bought one, okay?
Yeah.
So...
You don't know how to campaign.
Okay, campaign.